Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. Black, and for today's video we're gonna talk about what is inside the earth. If you try to dig to the center of the earth, what do you think you would find? Would earth be solid or hollow? Would it be made of the same material throughout? Actually, earth is made of several layers. The materials that make up each layer have characteristic properties that vary from layer to layer. Scientists think about Earth's layers in two ways, in terms of their chemical properties or composition, and in terms of their physical properties. Earth can be divided into three layers based on chemical composition. These layers are the crust, the mantle, and the core. Each compositional layer is made up of a different mixture of chemicals. The outermost solid layer of Earth is the crust. There are two types of crust, the continental crust and oceanic crust. Both types are made mainly of elements to oxygen, silicon, and aluminum. However, the denser oceanic crust has almost twice as much as iron, calcium, and magnesium. These elements form minerals that are denser than those in the continental crust. Mantle. Mantle is located between the core and the crust. It is a region of hot, slow-flowing solid rock. When convection takes place in the mantle, cooler rock sinks and warmer rock rises. Mantle is denser than the crust. Convection is the movement of matter that results from differences in density caused by the variations temperature. Scientists can learn about the mantle by observing the mantle rock that has risen to Earth's surface. It contains more magnesium and less aluminum and silicon than the crust does. Core extends from below the mantle to the center of the Earth. Scientists think that the core is made mostly of iron and some nickel. Scientists also think that it contains much less oxygen, silicon, aluminum, and magnesium than the mantle does. The core is the densest. The core, uh, the core is the densest layer of the Earth. It make about one third. It make about one third of the Earth's mass. So let's review. What are the compositional layers of the Earth? Very good. The answer is the crust, the mantle, and the core. What is the densest layer of the Earth? What's the answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is correct. It's the core. If you dig the core of the Earth, or if you dig to the core of the Earth, what chemical you possibly get? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. You can well get the nickel and the iron. Among the layers of the Earth, which layer has less density? Very good. The answer is the crust because it flows above the mantle and the core. If you get perfectly for the quiz, congratulations for the new knowledge acquired. Thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe to this video if this video helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.